Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. And today, things are getting spicy for Polygon. Now, over the last couple of days, I've actually given you guys some hints that Polygon was up to some good stuff. I even made a video, I think about 5 days ago or so, explaining why I'm so extremely excited about Polygon Matic right now. But then, when I took a look at today's announcement, well, that excitement got to a whole new level. Because really, Polygon is in an extremely good situation right now. And you'll see in this video exactly what is going on and why I don't think anybody is going to be able to stop Polygon from here on forward. Then again, guys, if you are a Matic holder, make sure you press that like button. It is greatly appreciated. And let us move on. So if you're wondering what exactly is going on, let me enlighten you. The official Polygon account just shared something which I think is absolutely wild. Meta, which is formerly known as Facebook, has selected Polygon for minting digital collectibles. For the first time ever, Meta is empowering creators to mint and sell Polygon-powered digital collectibles on and off Instagram. Now, creators will soon be able to use digital collectibles to directly engage with their fans and monetize their creation on Instagram, the popular social media platform with a community of 1.4 billion users. Freedom of expression powered to your own creation. About 50 million people worldwide recognize themselves as creators, and now they need more than showcasing their creation. They want the power to own their work. Advertising into influencing into ownership. Meta has always backed the creator community with innovative tools and features for them to thrive and shape the world. Now, Polygon is proud to provide a robust infrastructure for Meta to launch this groundbreaking tool. For smooth onboarding, creators will be gifted with an end-to-end toolkit for the whole process, from creation on Polygon to showcasing and selling NFTs. Meta is testing these new features with a small group of US creators first and will expand to more countries soon. Polygon loves creators, maybe, not exactly sure what that's supposed to be, but quote, the value added to the creator economy is unmatchable in championing verifiable digital ownership on a platform with such real reach will help us further our goal of onboarding the next billion users to Web3 by Sandeep Nailwal, the co-founder of Polygon. Now, I hope that it doesn't take more than 7 brain cells to understand why this is a very, very big deal. Obviously, the fact that Starbucks chose them and actually Reddit chose them and a lot of the platforms that we've covered recently have chosen Polygon. But now the behemoth of all behemoths, Meta, which by the way, in terms of stock is doing absolutely garbage. Their metaverse reveal was shit, so they're not doing too well. But the fact that the behemoths known as Meta have literally chosen Polygon, that is just huge. And again, guys, they're not the only one. Meta joins a long list of global companies like Robinhood and Stripe, which people use for payments, that choose Polygon as their entry point into Web3. The network, one of the greenest blockchains in existence, is home to tens of thousands of decentralized apps powered by a suite of Polygon solutions, including Ava, Uniswap, and OpenSea. And again, Sandeep says again that it's a major milestone in the evolution. But yeah, honestly, it is pretty crazy. I mean, we all knew that Instagram/Meta was going to get into this, but through Polygon then? God dilly damn. And at the same time, we actually have a little bit more juicy news. So again, a little while ago, we covered the fact that Robinhood chose Polygon. That was absolutely massive. Right now, obviously, I think because of all the upgrades in terms of the partnerships, they also had to upgrade the scalability. Polygon's ability to scale the way forward. The Polygon Avail testnet is now live as users begin incorporating Avail into their chain designs. A question that often comes up is, how many transactions can Avail process? This is the final piece in a 3-part series of articles that will address Polygon's Avail current performance, as well as its ability to scale in ? Well, guys like Watcher Guru have also shared it, and he actually has an entire post on it. But I believe without a VPN in the UAE, you cannot open this website. I think there's actually a lot of crypto websites that you cannot open in the UAE without a VPN, like CoinDesk, I believe, as well. Maybe I'm wrong on that one. But yeah, this is more for the technical guys out there. If you want to know exactly what it does, you could just go to the Polygon blog as well and just go ahead and check out all this new technology. Because at the end of the day, if you're a crypto guy, you're partially here for the money. And a lot of people might say, oh, I don't care about the technology, or I do care, but I don't know anything about it. At the end of the day, I'd say that 95% of the people I've spoken to ever that are crypto people might not even know the difference between testnet and mainnet, for example, or what a layer 2 is. If I even look at my own circle of people that are very much into crypto, a lot of people don't know what a layer 2 is or how exactly it's supposed to work. And from that perspective, you don't need to know the exact details. What I do always recommend, however, is to learn some of the quote unquote basics. Like, for example, that layer 2 word I think is very important. Understanding, I'm not sure if my recording messed up or not. I wanted to say that layer 2, again, that word is pretty important. But also understanding what a token now actually is very important. But yeah, in terms of today's Polygon update, I think that was actually enough. And I'm noticing some lag with the camera. I'm not sure exactly why. Again, guys, if you're looking for a crypto exchange to trade on or to buy crypto on, whatever, make sure you check out BitGet. A link will be down below. As you sign up, you get $10 for free. And if you deposit $50 or more, you get $20 in XRP for absolutely free. But also, there are upwards of $8,000 worth of deposit bonuses, which you can get for depositing, for example. It's pretty self-explanatory. But check out the rewards tab once you've made an account to find your bonuses, most likely. And honestly, I just always recommend to check out the exchanges that I talk about in terms of these bonuses, because usually there are some pretty good deals. $8,000 worth of bonuses is absolutely insane. But just go ahead and grab yourself the $10 and $20, for free. It's free. So check it out. Link will be down below. And see you guys again in another crypto video later today, everybody. Make sure you press the like button if you enjoyed it. See you guys.